Let's find this length y in meters. In this triangle, this is not a right angle triangle. You cannot think of Pythagoras theorem and you cannot think of SOHCAHTOA because we have three sides, which only two are known, but one side is unknown, and we have one given angle. In such a case, you can only apply cosine rule, and cosine rule states that you identify the given angle, the side facing the given angle. We are going to have that side facing the angle squared is the sum of the other squared of the remaining side multiply by 2 times the side times cosine of the given angle. We are going to apply this rule to this question. That is, I will start with the side facing the angle. I will square it. The two remaining side, which is the square root of 3 and the square root of 2. I will square both of them and add them. Next, minus 2 multiply by this square root of 3 multiply by this square root of 2 multiply by the cosine of the angle under consideration. This is the cosine rule. Next, we're going to have y to the power of 1 over 2 all squared. This y to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of y. And here, 3 to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of 3 squared. Plus, this is 2 to the power of 1 over 2 all squared. Minus, this is 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 times cosine of the angle, which is 60 degrees. Next, these 2 will take away these 2. These 2 will take away these 2. And these 2 will take away these 2. Here we are left with y is 3 plus 2 minus 2 the square root of 3 times inside the square root we are going to multiply this, then times, instead of cos 60 I will have 1 over 2 from the special angle formula. Y is 5 minus 2 times 1 over 2 times the square root of 6. Here, 2 we take away 2, and y is 5 minus the square root of 6. And this becomes the value of our y, which is the length of this side in meters, which is the given unit. We have left our answer in surd form without the use of a calculator.